Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, listen, if you're new to the page, go ahead, do yourself a favor in the family by hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Hey, we're a family of all ages, all races, and all we do is make money here. All right, good people? And we are encouraging and we're a positive community and we keep it rolling that way. So we just don't make money, we have fun doing it. And it's not just what I bring to the table, but it's also what the family brings to the table. Again, it brings me joy when I see other family members helping other family members with correct and positive answers, okay? All right, look, let's get into what's going on today. Today, I'm going to be talking about some stock that are literally movers today and tomorrow, and they have to do with in the EV area, infrastructure bill. The president will be signing it today. We know that there's a lot of infighting and all of that. We don't get into that. We just get into how we're going to make money because believe me, you on both sides of the aisle, there's somebody making money. So let's not be the cat and they're toiling the yarn and we're just jumping at it. Let's stop the vitriol and let's make money. All right, let's go right to the charts. So look at here. So I'm going to start with Tesla. Okay. Now, look at Tesla. I like this chart because it just shows you, it gives you a clear view of how things are going. Let's look over the last week. And as you could see, it's been a sell-off, right? And it's showing here, it dropped under $107. We knew it was going to be a sell-off because Elon Musk is selling some of his shares, which he was going to do anyway, good people. All right, let's just keep it real. Now, I will tell you that anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, sell, or hold a stock. I'm just telling you what Larry is doing, okay? I have to say that, good people. Now, what I did today is I bought some more Tesla. I got Tesla today at $9.87. I think Tesla is a buy at that. I chart differently than anybody else does. And so is 987 the floor? Maybe not. It might go lower than that. I really don't care, good people, because I was buying Tesla last year at $500, $700, and $900, and it still went up to $2,100 pre-split. All right, good people. And so the reason why I don't really care if it goes down a little bit, because I'm an investor into Tesla, not a trader. So I'm not trying to swing trade it. So I have a bold prediction that Kathy Woods is correct, that Tesla will be 3,000 to 3,200 to 3,500 by the year 2025. So at 987, that's a steal for me. I'm loading up. And when I mean loading up, I'm not spending all of my money. Let me take that word off, loading up. I'm not saying loading up. I'm buying more. I'm investing in my future. Okay, good people, let's keep it moving. I wanted to be clear with that. So I bought some more today at 987. That's just where I got it at. So let's look at Lucid. So Lucid Motors will have their earnings call today after closing bell. What I think will happen to Lucid, it's kind of hard to tell, right? I believe that Lucid may have a little downward pressure after the closing bell. As you know, they just had rolled some cars out for the first time, right? They're going to be talking about a lot of things. I don't want to front end this. I may cover Lucid tomorrow and talk about some of the things that they're talking about, the catalysts and what have you, upward catalysts and downward catalysts. This is some of the things that I think will happen to Lucid Motors. I do believe that Lucid Motors is going to have to raise some more capital, okay? Their first quarter numbers are not going to be knock the ball out of the park. No EV company is. Their very first earnings. This is their very first earnings after delivery, okay? So let's not expect much, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I did not not buy any Lucid leading up to the earnings because I would just believe that there may be downward pressure. I hope I'm incorrect, but if it does go down, I'm going to buy some more near the bottom. I'm going to try to buy some near the bottom after it finds a base and shows that it's steady there and I think it's going up. That's when I'm going to buy in where I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. I have long-term positive convictions on Lucid Motors. I believe long-term Lucid Motors will be a great company. It is another company that I'm investing in long-term. All right, good people. So that's where I am with Lucid Motors. I love the company. I've been here in Illinois. Well, I'm not in Illinois, but in Illinois, I've been to one of the dealerships, and I absolutely love the car. And I think they're doing a lot of things right, but EV companies take a lot of capital when they are building out. All right, let's keep it going. So let's go to EVGO. So EVGO. Remember on last night's video, let's go to the 5-day. All right, let's go to the 3-month. Look at what EVGO did over the last 3 months, right? Let's just go to the 1 month when we got in. Remember, I got in EVGO when it was a SPAC. I got it at pretty much near the floor. I got it before the merger. So I'm up right now in EVGO. I am up 107%. Okay. So what I did with EVGO, if you looked at my video last night, I knew it was going to have some downward pressure, them selling. So what I did was I sold some shares. I sold a few on Friday, did a little profit taking, and I sold some more this morning because I just believe that it ran up a lot more than it should. So I did a little profit taking with EVGO, even though long term it has a good upward catalyst coming. I think that there's more positive news coming down the road. So if you didn't do any profit taking, I believe you're still good. I just thought it was running up a little too much too quick. And so that's when Larry does some profit taking. So I took a little bit off the table. All right. While we're talking about taking a little bit off the table, I also did the same thing with Volta. Okay. So if you look at this morning, and I couldn't have timed this any better, I sold some Volta around here. Actually, it was around 275. I'm sorry, 1275. So 1275, I sold some Volta, and I just had a sell order in, and it took good people, and I just felt like Volta was going to have a cool off also, right? And this is called buy the rumor, sell the news. Nothing wrong with the stock. I have two positions. I have a swing trade in my Webull, which I share with you guys, but I also have a long-term position that's in my Fidelity account. And so I love to be able to, I make so much money having different platforms, good people. We'll talk about that at the end of this. But Volta is another one that's going to do well. And even in my swing trade on Volta, I'm still up 60%. So you can't beat that. And I shared it with you guys how much I got. I have a lot of money in Volta. And when it hits $14 in my swing trade, which I believe is going to wind up hitting $18, but in my swing trade, when it hits $14, I'm going to sell it all in my swing trade because I will have made 100% profit. Now, I'm not picking $14 because that's twice where I bought it. It's actually a little more than twice where I bought it. I pick $14 because I simply see a path to there. Okay. So that's what I make my decisions based on. So that's why I think that if you got Volta, I mean, those of you that know I was buying Volta, I started at $7.90 and I started dollar cost averaging down. But in my Fidelity, I got Volta at like 688. I got it very low. So I'm holding that because I got it at a lower position. And I don't mind the volatility until now. Okay, good people? So let's take a look at something else. So I did a little chart here of Volta and EVGO. This is EVGO, right? The orange is EVGO and the red is Volta. Look at the charting here. Look at this. It started out polar opposite. Look, when one went up, one went down. Look at that. Bam, bam. Then they found correlation right here. Boom, 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 boom. And as you can see, one is up 24%, which is Volta, right? And then EVGO up. I'm sorry, I'm misspeaking, good people. Look at this. I'm sorry, yeah, it's right. It's 91%. This one's up 24%, and this one's up 94%. So let's look at a 3-month. Look at that. As you can see, same deal after a 3-month. Volta up 29%, EVGO up 85%. And Volta still could do the same thing as EVGO. EVGO are signing some nice contracts. And so that's what I wanted to share with you guys because I believe this is a timing situation. So I bought more Tesla, I sold a little EVGO, and I sold a little Volta. Now, here's what's important, and here's why I suggest you guys have multiple trading platforms. I'll tell you, the thing that I've learned the most this year out of 27 years of investing, I'll tell you, this is the thing I've learned the most last year and this year, is having multiple trading platforms. It actually absolutely makes me a better trader. So in my Fidelity, that's where I have my long-term stocks, right? And I keep my long-term stocks. I have my Roth IRA in there and all of that, right? But that's what I do for my stocks. But for crypto long-term, I have it in my Coinbase. And my Coinbase, that's the crypto. That's where I buy my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Shiba Inu, long-term. And I have a link below. You can download it and deposit it and start trading crypto there. But the app that I use every single day is Webull. And it's very phone friendly. And what I like about Webull is that I could trade crypto and stock, all right? It's mainly stock, but it has Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu in it. It's where I do my swing trading, right? And so I'm in and out of these plays and I just cash up and my P&L is ridiculous. It is really, really, really nice, especially this year. Okay, so I'm investing and I'm trading at the same time. And so that's what I want you guys to do. Listen, I'm going to leave a video right here. Oh, make sure you download those links. Just deposit $100 into both and start trading, okay? But in the Webull app, you can literally deposit $5 today. Just open it up, get some money in there, and get ready because people like myself, we're going to continue to help you make money, okay? So I'm going to leave a video right here that I want you guys to see because I talk about how you can make money in the metaverse. And I talk about crypto and stocks, all right? Hey, we're going to keep it positive. We're going to love one another and we're all going to make money, all right? Watch this video. Live, love, laugh, and learn.